letter R. R. That's right. R stands for rabbit. Let's try citing the letter R together. R. Let's try again. R. Awesome! Thank you for joining me today. We'll see you next time. Bye!